Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you had a wonderful Easter weekend. Today we are doing the needle and thread flat twist, or rather, needle flat twist. I haven't done this in a while, right? You guys requested that I do a wedding hairstyle using the needle and thread technique, and I decided to do the flat twist look-alike version because it's the easier of the two and it's much faster as well. Please forgive my voice because I'm still recovering from a severe flu. So, yeah, it is quite cracky. So, please forgive my voice. I'm not feeling completely well, but I am way, way better. That's why this video is actually late. On 2 or 3 days, I could not speak up at all. Like, my voice was so subdued from the chest pains that I was feeling. But yes, God is good. God is great. I am feeling so much better today. Okay, so back to the video. Today I'm using Next Shin Edge Smoothing Gel for my parts, and I later added some Dax Black Gel because Next Shin sometimes does not give me that dark shiny color on the hair that I like. Dax Black Gel is the fixer for that situation. I washed the hair yesterday and stretched it by tying a bun and wrapping that bun up. I'm sure you guys have seen how I stretch my hair without using heat. That is exactly what I did on her hair as well. Needle flat twists are the easier of the two needle hairstyles I know. It is a matter of inserting the needle from one side and taking it out on the other side of the section whilst holding the hair down. That way, when the thread goes through the hair as well, it holds the hair down. And you keep doing that until you get to the end of the section. You guys, I've got an announcement to make. I have now opened memberships on my channel. Okay. Okay. What this means is that I want to take my channel to the next level and dedicate more time to creating content on YouTube. However, I need to make it meaningful to me financially as well. Creating content needs a lot of time, dedication, and investment into equipment. With my current earnings, there is no way I can dedicate more time and invest more into content creation without going this route. So, I have enabled memberships to those who would like to join my channel as members and support what I do here financially for as little as 19.99 a month, which is less than $2, like just $2. You can contribute to me, dedicating more time to creating more content for you. If you are a hairstylist or considering a career in hairdressing for only 39.99, that is less than $3 a month, I will teach you all you need to know from assessing, washing, and styling African coily and curly hair, and also running a hair salon as an owner or a manager. How cool is that? If this sounds like something you will do, go ahead and click join under this video or on any of my videos. I'm only doing the needle flat twist at the back of her head, and in front, I'm applying some Eco Styler gel and some got-to-be glue to lay the hair down. I'm not applying a lot of gel because I do not want to wait to dry the hair in front. I particularly like the way I attached the hair extension for the bun on top. I saw this on YouTube some weeks back and it fascinated me a lot. And that is why I decided to use it for this hairstyle. It was also used on a wedding hairstyle. And since I am doing a wedding hairstyle today, I thought, why not? Okay, so I've also linked the video where I saw it in the description box below. So if you want to check the original video from where I saw this way of attaching hair extension, please click on the link below. I did not use as much hair as she used though. I can't talk much, guys. I'm still recovering from a severe flu. So let me just put on some music and let you enjoy this video. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. There is more where this came from. Turn on notifications as well so that every time I post something, you're the first to know. That's it. That's all for me today. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the week. Much love and God bless you. Bye.